Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we're gonna cook Shin Ramen. This is my favorite ramen, so I wanna start with this one first on my channel. And we need garlics, bell peppers, green onions, cabbage. I like to add cabbage because it has different texture. Bacon. I got it from Sam's Club. This is butcher's cut bacon. I like this better because it has less fat. And egg, pepper powder, avocado oil. I like to use avocado oil when I cook ramen because it has a high heating point and also it is healthier. Please cut green onions about 1 inch. Then bell peppers. These bell peppers are not that spicy, and they really look good visually. Green, red, and orange. Cabbage. Minced garlic. Please add avocado oil first. The avocado oil has high smoke point, so it's really good to use when you cook ramen. And add minced garlic first. Then green onions. A lot of Asian chefs cook garlic and green onions first. Red pepper powder. And red pepper powder can be burned really easily, so please just let it ride low until add water. Two cups of water. And soup base. Bacon. Please make sure bacon is cooked. So you can see a beautiful red soup color. Add ramen. I don't like overcooked ramen, so So I'm gonna take it out first. And then add all other vegetables. And then add eggs. And personally, I want to keep yolk. And please mix with ramen, and soup. It looks good. You can upgrade Shin Ramen this way. Red pepper powder enhance spiciness but not overwhelming. And you can taste delicious garlic and green onions from the soup. And this is my favorite way to cook Shin Ramen. And please try it at home. You won't regret it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.